Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best windshield repair kits creeper seats that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Powerbuilt Professional Mechanics Roller Seat. Featuring a lumbar-friendly seat and a ton of onboard storage, this Powerbuilt roller seat stands out as the best creeper seat you can buy. The padded backrest and large 12-inch by 16-inch seat provide more support than backless seats and stools, and the heavy-duty vinyl cover reduces the chances of unsightly tears and rips. Our favorite feature of this seat is the positioning of its dual storage drawers, one in front and the other on the side, so you can use whichever one is best for your current position. You can really load them up with tools, too, since the entire seat has an impressive load capacity of 500 pounds. The side-mounted Caddy is especially useful for auto detailing projects and keeping your cleaners, polishes and waxes within arm's reach. Moving on at number 4, we have the Torin TR6300 Red Rolling Creeper Seat. Despite its low price tag, this Torin creeper seat still provides the functionality you need to work efficiently, as well as a trusted reputation that ensures quality and durability. The thick padded seat adds extra comfort for extended auto projects, and a full-length segmented storage tray underneath keeps all your tools and accessories close at hand. Constructed of heavy-duty steel tubing, this seat easily handles the abuse of a busy garage, and, better yet, at a wallet-friendly price. At number 3, we have the ProLift C9100 Foldable Z Creeper. Capable of converting from a flat mechanics creeper into an upright seat in seconds, this 2-in-1 ProLift model is versatile enough for a wide range of automotive DIY projects. Maneuverability is a breeze, thanks to the 6 polyurethane swivel casters. Plus, the thick padded cushions and headrest keep you comfortable and focused on the task at hand. The heavy-duty steel frame is sturdy enough to support an impressive 450 pounds and weighs just under 26 pounds itself, so it doesn't take much effort to carry and store when not in use. At number 2, we have the Omega Lift Mechanic Stool with wheels. If easy access to your tools and equipment is a priority, look no further than this Omega Lift stool and its 3 toolbox drawers. These drawers feature ball-bearing slides for smooth operation, and their heavy-duty steel construction is rugged enough to support an impressive amount of tool weight. A pair of front and rear tool trays offer even more organizational options. The 3-inch, 360-degree casters provide maximum maneuverability, and the fully padded seat adds extra stability when rolling across the garage floor. And finally at number 1, we have the Big Red TR6350 Torin Rolling Pneumatic Creeper. Unlike fixed creeper seats, this pneumatic Big Red stool adjusts up to 4.5 inches in height, so users can customize the seat height to their body and project type. This design helps to reduce hunching over while seated, which is a primary cause of lower back pain. Plus, with only a single shaft supporting the seat, the entire base of this best creeper seat becomes an unobstructed storage tray segmented into 3 easy access compartments. Some assembly is required, but if you have a drill and little DIY experience, it should only take a few minutes to assemble it.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.